Welcome to our channel. If you want to remove apps from your Firestick to free up storage space or eliminate apps you no longer use, follow these straightforward steps to uninstall applications. Step 1. Press the Home button on your Firestick remote and navigate to Settings at the top of the menu. Scroll right to access the device configuration and management options. Step 2. Select Applications from the Settings menu. This section allows you to manage all apps installed on your Firestick, view storage usage, and control app permissions and data. Step 3. Choose Manage Installed Applications from the Applications menu. You'll see a complete list of every app currently installed on your device, sorted alphabetically for easy navigation. Step 4. Scroll through the list and select the app you want to remove. This will open a detailed information screen showing the app's size, data usage, and available management options. Step 5. Click on Uninstall at the top of the app's information screen. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete this application from your Firestick. Step 6. Confirm the uninstallation by selecting Uninstall again. The app will be immediately removed from your device along with all its associated data and cache files to free storage space. Step 7. If you want to remove multiple apps, repeat steps 4 through 6 for each application. This is useful for freeing up significant storage space on your Firestick when it's running low. Step 8. After uninstalling apps, you can reinstall them later from the Amazon App Store if needed. Your purchase history is saved to your Amazon account for easy re-download without additional charges. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.